Howdy, it's Hippie Dave in southwest Louisiana. A lot of people have been wanting to see this thing, and for some of y'all, you see that I have more hobbies than just filming UFOs. So enough of me, my beautiful face. Here it is. I call it the Abomination. It is a mixture of everything from lawnmower to trampoline steel to a bench press, and it's got the assorted lights. The fuel tank is off a 2001 Stanley mower. The motor's a 1991 12 horsepower IC Briggs & Stratton, beefed up about between 15 and 17 horsepower. Got the battery sitting back there. We got a 3,000 pound winch up here. This front end, as you can see, the seam right there is where I welded that piece in and made the axle 48 inches wide. Shock absorbers are off a 650 Yamaha Twin. Right down in there somewhere, if you can see it, there is a lateral link that keeps the axle from moving back and forth. It attaches right there. Ain't nothing but a piece of flat iron. Got all thread up top for stabilizer, down to the bottom. Those are some little plate steel brackets off a tiller. Chassis is a 69, as I say. There's my winch control. Here's the dash up here with all the wiring. This is a 1989 steering wheel off an MTD. This steering coupler right there is off a 1986 Chevrolet G20 van. The steering box down here is off a 1986 rear engine rider John Deere, modified and turned around backwards. You can see my Ooga horn, which makes plenty of racket. Walmart seats, $20 a piece. Not very comfortable to sit in, but they'll be comfortable enough to ride in. There's a post for the other one. There's the rest of my wiring down here. There's the starter relay. That other starter relay from let's see, 73 and a 72 Ford relays is what they are. Good heavy relays. That one I got for the horn. Overkill, but they work. There's my conglomerated grounds right there. You can see the wires in the way a little bit. You can see that clamp. This is copper dielectric greased industrial grade. There's another smaller chassis ground. It grounds the relays together to make sure you got a good ground on them. Half the relay failures that I've ever encountered are because of bad ground. Right in the back, I'm still not finished. I got the rest of the parts I'm picking up today. Here's a jack shaft that I'll be running up through the center, and it will have a bearing. It's key weighed. It'll have screws in there with Loctite. Got a 6-inch pulley, a 4.5-inch pulley in the back. Should leave for a 13, 15 mile an hour, 17 mile an hour top speed, something around there. Here's a support on one axle. This one has been temporarily welded inside that collar right there. These 5-bolt wheels. These hubs are off the 86 John Deere, the same one that the steering box come off of. And I got the, let's see, 8-inch rims, front and rear. These was I think 20 by 7 by 8s, and the rear ones are 22 by 11 by 8s. Anyway, let's hear this bad boy run, and then I'm gonna cut her short. I gotta build a battery bracket too. Sound there. Still ain't hooked up my kill switch yet. Amongst many other little things. I ain't worked on a doggone thing and it's been 2 weeks. Anyhow, give you a quick look at the lights. The horn. It's supposed to be an Uga horn, but it don't sound like it. It sounds like something else. Anyway, got 3 LED lights up there, and I got these little LEDs right there. They're pretty bright. Can't really tell during the day, but at night they light up. And down below, of course, right now I got all 4 of them turned on, but I basically have high and low beams. The small ones being low beams, of course, and the high beams. The other ones come on. And these up top are optional if I really need to light something up. So that's about it right now. And more updates as they come. Hippie Dave, out.